लिटरेचर पार्ट में Basically, when do we study literature? What do we say about literature? Literature के बारे में हम क्या कहते हैं? Literature is the mirror of our society. What is literature? Literature is the mirror of our society. Whenever any literarist, novelist, dramatist, story writer, comedy writer and tragedy writer starts writing, what ideas he keeps in his mind, what words he keep in his mind, that is more concerned to the subject. Especially when we start studying literature, is it your CBSE notebook? CBSE? हाँ जी? NCERT. Okay. How many chapters have you studied in it?
We have studied 3 chapters and
3 chapters you have studied.
we are now studying 4 chapters.
Now you are studying 4th chapter, the enemy. Which one is best understood by you out of these chapters? Any chapter that has been your best understood?
The Tiger King,
The Tiger King. Okay. Have you learned the question answers of this lesson? The story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. How does the author employ the literary device of dramatic irony in the story? How does the author employ the literary device of dramatic irony in the story? Are you finding the answer? Okay, let us discuss first. The story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. What is the word satire in English literature? What does the mean of satire? Yes? Who will tell me? Please tell me. What does the mean of satire? This is the basic literary device, basic literary term that we use while studying English literature. Anything, any idea that we have in your mind, you can express according to you. Yes, any idea that you can express. Speak something, please. What is satire? Yes, in Hindi it is व्यंग्य. हिंदी में इसको क्या कहते हैं? व्यंग्य कहते हैं, या हिंदी में एक और नाम भी बोलते हैं कटाक्ष, है ना? बट हाउ टू डिफाइन सटायर? हम डिफाइन कैसे करते हैं सटायर को? पंजाबी में कह सकते हैं ताना देना, सिरमेड़ा मारना है जब, ठीक है? सो राइट दैट इन इंग्लिश में कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे सटायर को? टू मेक फन ऑफ अदर्स, दूसरों का मजाक बनाना. Little bit we can say, but not entirely. Entirely it means किसी की रिफॉर्मेशन के लिए, किसी में सुधार लाने के लिए जब हम उसको व्यंग्य करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं सटायर. इज इट क्लियर? किसी में रिफॉर्मेशन लाने के लिए, किसी सिस्टम में, किसी पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में, किसी इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम में, किसी सोशल सिस्टम में सुधार लाने के लिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए, रिफॉर्मेशन लाने के लिए जब हम उसके ऊपर व्यंग्य करते हैं, तो दैट इज द राइट डायरेक्शन ऑफ कमेंटिंग. तो वो कमेंटिंग की राइट डायरेक्शन होती है. डू वी क्रिटिसाइज समटाइम्स समवन? क्या हम किसी को कभी क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं? करते हैं ना, इट्स आवर जनरल हैबिट, इट्स द ह्यूमन नेचर। करते हैं तो किस लिए करते हैं? वाई? एज पर we criticize sometimes. You will go through Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj's autobiography. When Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj went at place where he was disrespected, and what did he say at that time to them? What did he say? Vasdero? May God bless you. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj blessed them. You are to live here. After all, you have disrespected. And on the other hand, that was the village where he was the most respected. What did he say to them? What did he say? In Punjabi we say ujad jao. But means that you are to be dispersed from here. Don't try to live here. Go somewhere, wherever you want to go, you are to go for messaging goodnesses. अच्छाई का प्रचार करने के लिए जाओ. So this is the form of also the criticism. There were a lot of criticizers of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, but he never cared about these things because his aim was something mysterious and spiritual aim. उनका एक आध्यात्मिक लक्ष्य था. So that's why he spreaded the message of humanity throughout the world. Likely that satire का पर्पस भी यही होता है. You will read this philosophy in Kabira's philosophy as well. He says in Hindi, निंदक नीरे राखिए जामे कुटी छुआए बिन पानी बिन साबुन निर्मल होत सुभाए. Have you studied perhaps in Hindi? Have you studied this thing? कि our criticizer is the most intellectual cleaner of our mind and heart. So let him clean. Whatever he is doing, let him do. So it is all about the philosophy. And even Shri Bepro Shyamastana Ji Maharaj, who was the starter, he also says this thing that Nindak Jiya Yuga Yuga. Like it. Means if someone is their criticizer, then let him live for long time. We can compare these things just for understanding from the Indian mythology, from the Hindu mythology. But it's the word related to the Christianity. Satire, according to them, there is satirical commentary. How to make fun for bringing reformation. It is, you will read through this story. So the story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. Satirical commentary, those who were in power. Simply it was the time when the English people, those who were the dukes and kings of that England, they were in power. And while living in power, they were using and they were applying dictatorship. They have कुछ कह रहे हो क्या? Do you want to say something? जी? Is it? Tyranny means a dictatorship. They were